Guys, it's a really, really important day for me today. I got my first drone. I'm so excited. It's so awesome. What lies inside this box is the future of this channel. It's gonna be so awesome. Okay, let's get the box. We're kind of a little bit overexposed. Okay, now we get me a knife. Scissors will do. Scissors. Scissors will do. Make sure not to knock the camera over. Dadgummit. There we go. And we got the DJI Mini 2. I'm so excited. I really am. I got the Fly More combo. It comes with 3 batteries. I keep looking at the damn, comes with 3 batteries. I keep looking at the damn monitor and not the screen, anyway. And then I got they threw in an iPad holder. Got me a micro SD card. And whoa, what is this? Propeller holder and an ND16 filter, ND filter. So let's get into this. Let's do it. I'm so excited. Hopefully that did it. I don't want to hurt the box just in case it doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? But okay. I'll show you the whole box whenever I get it. All right, let's open the filter holder first. I mean, the ND filter, I'll open that first. So, let's see. It's really a good idea to have a filter holder, an ND filter. Why do I keep saying filter holder? It's good to have an ND filter with one of these things because you get up there in the sky and, you know, it'll be overexposed and whatnot. So this helps it stay the exposure that you want. And still, you know, not have to bump up your shutter speed, because if you're shooting in 24 frames per second, which I will be, 24 frames per second and 120, it'll be 4K 24 frames per second and 1080p 120. So your shutter speed needs, for video, your shutter speed needs to be double what your frame rate is. So my frame rate, if it's 24, my shutter speed will be 1/50. If you bump up your shutter speed too much while you're at 24 frames per second or whatever, if you bump your shutter speed up, your motion blur won't be natural. You want it to be natural. So there it is. Oh man, look how little it is. It's so little. Okay. Ouch. And it's also sharp. Anyway, there's the filter. And it comes with like instructions and whatnot, and like I'm guessing this is something to wipe it with. So instructions, we don't need those. Okay, those are instructions and whatnot. Now we're gonna open get this out of the way. Gonna open the pad holder. I don't want to tear these boxes up just in case something is broken. But it's landing proof apparently. Okay. This holds an iPad. So if I ever like have an iPad or whatever to fly it with, I don't have an iPad, but you know. I don't know. I don't have an iPad or whatnot, but it will come in handy if I didn't just break it. However that's supposed to go, I don't know. What the hell? Oh, I see how it works. And you put this ball thingy there, I guess. This goes on the iPad, and then this goes on the controller. And it goes like that. I'll figure that out later. Anyway, this thing holds the propellers in place whenever you're not flying. It's a propeller holder. Okay. Damn, man. All these are like me proof. All these are landing proof, man. Okay. Yeah, so this, it comes with a little lanyard. This holds your propellers, so they don't just flop around and whatnot. So they don't just flop around and whatnot. So yeah, that's a propeller holder. Move everything over here. Now, for what we've all been waiting for. Here we go. There's the Mavic Mini 2. Okay. Let's open this bad boy up. Comes with a bag. Here's the little bag. And that's all that's in the box. There's like a little thing on the bag here. Okay. Okay, so we'll do this. Whoop. Controller. That's the controller. I'm assuming this is like instructions and whatnot. Peel that sticker off of there. Okay, and we're back. So we had the controller. We have this box and instructions. Cables. DJI thingy to plug into the wall. You know what that is. Here's the batteries. I probably won't fly it in this video the first time, but I will do another video of me flying it. Whatever. So there's 2 batteries in here and there's one in the drone. So okay, so down here. Little bitty batteries. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Look how little. It's so little. Take that. There's another propeller holder. Take that off. Gotta take all these stickers off. Here. Try not to break anything. It's pretty, it's a lot. I knew it was going to be small, but trying not to be rough with it, you know what I'm saying? Because it's really little. So you just take all these little stickers off. I don't need them. Uh-oh. These are actually... Okay. So, these wings go out, and these wings pull down. And there is your DJI Mini 2. Take the gimbal holder off. Get these off of here. I will do a B-roll. Come on, sticker, get off my finger. I will do a B-roll segment of everything here. Best believe. Man, a lot of fucking stickers on this bitch. Okay. Mini 2. Now, let me do some organizing. And let me do some organizing, and I'll do a B-roll segment of everything here. Alright guys, so there it was, my very unorganized unboxing of the DJI Mini 2, my first drone ever. So very soon I'm gonna set up a video and everything of you guys and fly it and everything. Like first official flight. I'll probably test it out and stuff, but I gotta figure out how to use it a little bit before I actually get on video and start flying, because I wouldn't want to video myself crashing it right into a tree. So yeah, like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. We'll be flying this thing next time. Bye.